Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video, we are talking about the wireless mic, how you can set up in your phone or your PC or any other device using this wireless mic. Normally everyone know, but many people request me to make video on that, how you can do the setup. So as you can see, this one come with this device, and then here you can see the C type, and then mono stereo jack, and then this one for the iPhone, and here is the charging port, and then here is the output for 3.5 mm jack, and then here is the power on off switch, and then you can get in the mic the charging port, then power on switch, and then holding the cordless, so you can put in the collar or in the shirt, and then you can see here the buff, and then here for the podcast, if you are using for the this mic for the podcast, I just show you, so you can use also this one. So now we are going to set up this one. If we turn on this one, long press for the 2 or 3 seconds, you can see the light is blinking red and green. And then for this device, you can see if we turn on, it's blinking, and then directly link with the microphone. But how to access on your phone? As you can see, if I on my phone and then connect this device, supposed to be it's connected directly by OTG. So if we search in the settings and then search OTG connection, you can see here it's already off. So what we need to do, we just disconnect the device, and then after that turn on the OTG, then we plug it again, so device will automatically connect. Now we have to try this mic, so we just exit and then find the sound recorder. For example, I open the sound recorder, so and then now start recording. So if you can see, now I am talking to mic directly. If I go far, now I am far from the camera. If you can see the my studio, it's a bit far. You can see there is the laptop and then the device. I zoom and show you there, and then mic in my hand. We can test here. I am going to out from the room, and then we check the voice quality. See, now I'm out from the room. You can see how far from me the device, but we will check the quality of the sound once we go far or near, so we can see now it's near, so we will see the sound quality. So I already saved the clip, and then I will put the original sound in the video. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.